This is completely surprising, and I actually did not receive any money from Kerala till date uh, for Asifa's case, because I did that case pro bono when I was fighting in Supreme Court. I did that case pro bono when I was fighting in High Court here at Jammu, and even I did not charge the family members for that. There was no question of receiving, charity, or you say funds from any other quarter without informing the parents. Even a lot of people came to me for 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 extending support to the parents, but I did not receive that. I had no authority to receive money for anyone, for her parents, because I was not there to receive the money. I was there to fight for the case, right? So, if anyone can prove that I have received money from Kerala for Rasana case, I mean, then things would be different, because I don't know. I seriously have not received any money from Kerala for Rasana case. Yes. And second thing, which everyone knows, that trial was conducted by public prosecutors. So there was no question of paying to the public prosecutors also, which you have rightly said. And I think there was one lawyer, Mubin Faruqi, who was actually not participating in the trial, but he actually told everyone that he participated in trial. So trial was purely done by the public prosecutor, no private lawyer, no private lawyer. I'm trying to be very clear and very firm on it, because I know how the trial goes on. No private lawyer participated in the argument, examination of witnesses, or any other thing from the parents side. And that is on record, and that you can check from anyone, right? It was only the public prosecutors who fought the case before the trial court at Pathankot. So at the I am really very sorry that if this controversy has taken place, but I have not taken any money. You can make my voice note public. You can run this in Kerala that I have given my statement. Yes, I have not received any money from any quarter. Not a single rupee I have received from anyone for Rasana case. No, I have not received, except the money which the pet parents later contributed for my rape workshop. They paid, I guess, they 1.5 lakh they paid for conducting a workshop that I organized for rape victims here in Jammu, and that was separate thing. That was for bearing the expenses of the conference. Except that money, I have not received a single penny from any quarter, because I was not there to mint money. I was there to support the parents and support the, get justice for the child. This is my precise statement, and if anyone can prove that I have received any money, let that person face me and prove that I have received any money from any quarter. Thank you.